Doctors say kids being back in school could be the reason they're seeing a spike in positive COVID cases. Being back in a classroom together after being apart for months is causing the virus to spread. The number of COVID cases in San Antonio are not as bad as they once were. Still, doctors are taking notice.
Our positivity rate is up to 29%, which is pretty high as far as where it had been in the past. And it's been that way for a couple of weeks now. So we're definitely seeing increased activity in the community.
Dr. Jason Bowling with University Health believes kids being back in school could amplify that.
When we see school get back together, everybody's back together in tight spaces after having traveled to different areas of the world. And so we do see a bump in respiratory viruses, and COVID's no different than that.
It's what happened at a small school district southwest of San Antonio. Runge ISD announced it would shut down campuses for nearly a week, all because of an increase of COVID cases. Bowling says the new strain of COVID isn't as dangerous as previous ones. Still, it is very contagious. Hospitalizations in San Antonio have increased slightly.
Fortunately, they're not causing more severe disease.
Overall numbers are low, so Bowling doesn't expect to see anything like we did in the past. However, he urges everyone to stay home if they do test positive.
If you start having symptoms, you should probably test to see if you have COVID.
His other request, get the booster that's expected at the end of September or early October.
It's going to have a updated strain. It's going to be one strain in there, and it's going to be one dose for most people. They're really trying to simplify that vaccine schedule,
aimed to protect the community as we go into fall.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. For more refreshing stories about your community, click the subscribe button over here. You can also download our Spectrum News app and tune in to Channel 55 on Dish and DirecTV to get live news coverage, weather updates every 10 minutes, and more. We'll see you then.